What was your second question? You've got an issue about a hybrid here, or what?
Well, I do go to your shop there, and I do the EMS oil. So I think, according to what you're saying, it is time for me to do the same thing on the transmission fluid.
I agree.
And my second question is, I have a lot of value for your opinion. What do you think it will be something like a hybrid and electric vehicle at the same time?
Well, I don't really have any problem with a hybrid. I think that is I think that is some pretty smart transportation, really, when you get right down to it. A plug-in hybrid, you're going to get an average of 40, 50 miles for free, and if you need the gas motor, it's going to provide you transportation. When this was probably a year and a half, 2 years ago, we were coming back, we were pulling our boat back from the Keys, and I had to stop at a service plaza. And when I did, I was astounded at what electric car vehicles were having to go through to actually get. There were people just literally standing in line to charge their vehicles. I'd talked to some people inside the service plaza, and they're just sitting around waiting, so they could plug their car in. And, I didn't really realize how much it costs to charge an electric car. And I'm sitting there going, why, who in the world would want to sit here and wait 2 or 3 hours to plug their car in and then pay maybe $40 to go another 80 miles? I'm sitting here going, this is insane. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. So a hybrid, you don't even have to stop at the service plaza. You can just wave as you drive on by. If you got an electric car and you're going to be driving it around town, you're never taking it out on the road, you're not going to have to worry about that, whatever. But if that's the case, you probably need 2 vehicles, I'm like, who wants to be out of town looking for a place to plug a car in and you don't even know where to go? I guess it'll show you on your phone if you've got the app for it, but I don't know. I'm not sold on that. Hybrid makes more sense to me, than an electric vehicle. And, most of the hybrids that are out there, listen, if you get a battery go bad in a hybrid, you're probably looking at $3,000, $2,500, $3,000 for a battery. Electric car battery go bad, you could be looking at $25,000 for a battery replacement if they still make that same battery when yours fails. And who knows if they will or not. The car may just go into the dumpster. So, there's so many things to look at before but hybrid does, to me, it makes a whole lot more sense. Thanks for your call.
Thank you so much, Robert. More of your calls coming up next. More of your open up mics coming up next. Send them in via the WDBO app, 844-580-9326, 844-580-WDBO. More of the Magic Mechanic Radio Show coming on up.
Hi, folks. Larry Perry here. For automotive information, maybe you got automotive questions on cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing a used vehicle, and maybe you just want my opinion. Tune in to the Magic Mechanic Radio Show every Saturday, 3 to 5 p.m. on wdbo.com. Also, tune in to our Magic Mechanic YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll all get together, maybe fix a few cars while we're at it.